Here's the question I got asked. How do I find my Quora profile through the mobile app on an iPhone? Or actually, for that matter, on any phone? Well, you know what? It doesn't exist. If I go to settings, it doesn't exist under accounting, account, privacy, email. Nowhere in here. I've looked all throughout this. It's not there. If I go to my Quora profile, click on the word Teddy right there, bring my profile up. The profile URL is not on here anywhere. It does not exist to be visible on your Quora profile at all. However, there's a workaround. The workaround is the share button. If I click the share button, which is to the right of edit profile, and I copy that, and if I go to a web browser or go anywhere, and I paste that URL into the search bar there, besides the fact it has a lot of tracking codes in that URL, if I back all the tracking code out, which means back up to everything past the question mark, including the question mark, there is my Quora profile URL. And for those of us who were fortunate enough back in the day to have a custom URL, you'll see it works, but it reverts to the Quora profile, Teddy-2207. Bottom line, the only way to get your Quora profile URL is to hit the share button and copy the contents behind that. Hey, I'm Teddy. I hope this is helpful for you.